Hello, welcome to this demonstration of the Tesla load forecasting software. In this session, we'll go over the steps for creating a forecast and then show the display options. To create a forecast, go to the Start menu, select the menu entry for the TESLA2 application, and click on it. That will bring up the Tesla model selection dialog. Let's select a New York City model, which is created based upon publicly available data. To make that the default, the model which will show as soon as the application is launched, click on Make Default and click on OK. The system will now assemble the data necessary to solve the forecast, run through the forecast, and display it when it is complete. In this display, in the upper left corner, you see the name of the model, the time reference, which is Eastern Daylight Time, the time when the model was solved, the time when the weather was last updated, the time when the load was last updated, row headers with the date and time, a forecast column which shows the model solution, an actuals column which shows the load actually reported where it is available, and a differ column which shows the difference between the two. Next come the four stations which are used in the model solution: the LaGuardia Airport, the New York City Central Park, the JFK Airport, and the Newark Airport. In U.S. models, the temperature is shown in Fahrenheit. In all other cases, it's shown in Celsius. The black numbers in the weather data indicate that these are observed values. Below them, the blue numbers indicate that these are weather forecast values. You may see all of the measures of weather that are used in the model solution by going to the View menu and selecting Full Weather Data. This shows each weather station blown up to expose all of the measures, all six: temperature, relative humidity, cloud cover, wind speed, wind direction, and rainfall in the solution. The last station, Newark, has scrolled off the page, so to see its data, scroll to the right and bring it into view. Let's control back to the upper left of the display, and let's collapse the display back to temperature only for convenience and to get everything on the screen. There is a graphical display. To see it, click on the TG icon on the toolbar, that toolbar icon that is at the far right. This brings up the graphical display for the entire 7-day period. To see a single day, click on the display paging icon, which will bring up the current date, which is the 22nd of May of 2012. The load forecast is shown in blue, as you can see here in the legend, and the actuals are shown in red. Today, the fit between the model and the actual reported load is very tight, so here at the bottom you can see a little bit of the red peeking out below the blue. Let's go back now to the tabular display and note that it is in sync with the graphical display. That is, it is showing the current day. To go forward in time, click the green arrow pointing to the right to scroll forward from the 22nd of May to the 23rd, from the 23rd to the 24th, and so on. Let's go back all the way to the left to the 23rd, and let's now take a look at online help. All of these features are demonstrated in the online help with complete instructions on how to execute the system. To bring up the online help, click on the Help button, click on TESLA2 Help, and it comes up in the browser. In this browser, you see topics at the top. To go to a section of interest, perhaps producing a load forecast, click on that entry, and you're brought to the article that outlines how to produce a load forecast in some detail, complete with step-by-step instructions. Thank you.